Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told in the figure above, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. We're asked, given the side lengths that we have in this problem, what is the value of cosine E? So if we have triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF, then we know two things. The angles are equal to each other, the corresponding angles are equal to each other, and the corresponding sides are proportional to each other. So we're going to use the angles here because we're looking for the cosine of E. And what we know is that A is equal to D, B is equal to E, and C is equal to F, right? Because these are the corresponding angles, and for the similarity to be written properly, you have to correspond the corresponding angles in pairs. So the first angle, or the first letter in each of these triangle names is a pair. So is the second, so is the third. So we know angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F. So if we're looking for cosine of E, that can be equal to cosine of B, right? Because if they're the same angle size, then they're gonna have the same cosine. So what is the cosine of angle B? Well, it's the side opposite to B. So if B is this angle here, the side adjacent to it, because cosine is the adjacent side, which in this case is 12, over the hypotenuse, which is 13. So 12 over 13 is going to be your final answer, the value of cosine E, and it lines up with B as your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.